Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV and our More Than Packages platform. We're here at WMX Americas in Miami, and joining me today is the lovely Peter Summers. Thank you so much for being here, Peter.
Good morning.
Now, could
Welcome.
you tell me a bit about Emirates Post and your role?
Sure. Yeah, I'm the CEO of Emirates Post, and I joined the company a little bit more than 2 years ago to help the company to transform from, let's say, a traditional postal entity into a modern last mile logistics player. And it's an interesting location, but also an interesting company, because one of the interests personally for me is that geographical location of Dubai, UAE, as a hub, a gateway to the Middle East, but also a global hub between East and West and East.
And you said you joined a couple of years ago, so around the same time as the pandemic. How was that?
I joined the company in October 2019, and after my first 100 days as a CEO, COVID-19 kicked in. And that was a very interesting moment because everything happens at the same time. You have to deal with the capacity, deal with the COVID, deal with transformation. But that's interesting.
What a
time.
challenge!
But I like challenges. And every challenge is an opportunity, as I always say, which is true because what happened due to COVID-19 is that the whole market changed dramatically from a traditional retail model to an obligation to move into an e-tail model. There was a lockdown, a short but heavy lockdown. So every retailer who was not online could not sell anything. So they had an obligation to go online. And that changed the whole behavior of, normally the Middle East is a population that goes to the mall. They only shop in the mall, but the mall is much more than that. The mall is a place to be during the weekend where you go retail, entertainment, movies, ice hockey, food, beverage, and that changed.
Yeah, well, life-changing for so many people and for the industry.
Absolutely.
And what have you seen, what changes have you seen in terms of technology, digital trends over the last couple of years?
Well, one, digital, already the UAE is an extremely digital country. For every citizen there are 2 devices. And on average in the UAE, every citizen is spending 7 hours a day on social media. 7 hours a day, yeah. In Saudi, 6 hours a day.
Wow.
So very, very digital country. And then on top of that, the e-commerce started to grow. So now I think we have the region with the fastest growing e-commerce in terms of emerging markets. So that's interesting to see. And of course, technology needs to adapt. And we as a postal operator, we are increasing our technology as we speak. But we're also developing some new technology and an app that will support everything what we do, but also an app that will support the issues that the Middle East has in certain countries of not having a postal code system, not having an addressing system in every street of the country. So we're solving all these issues at the same time.
And what does it mean to be at an event like WMX? How does that help the company?
I'm attending already for many, many years these events. And it's a very good opportunity because it's a commercial event. We can meet here new customers, and that's why we present what we do, and that's why we talk to almost everybody who is here in Miami to attend the conference, offer our solutions, showcase our solutions, and win new customers.
And you've had a presentation here at the event, haven't you? Tell us about that.
Yeah, it was yesterday. Yesterday morning, I could present what Emirates Post is doing in terms of transformation, our offering, the market growth, and all these kind of things. So immediately in one presentation, reach out to 200-300 people who are interested.
And tell us about, you've got another event coming up, right?
Absolutely. We bring this conference to Dubai in May. So 10-11 May in Dubai, we have the World Mail and Express, combined Europe and Middle East, which will be a very interesting event because so many things happened, not only here in the US, but at the same time due to COVID-19 in Europe and certainly in the Middle East.
Well, hopefully we'll see you at that event as well, and we can have
You're
another
very
catch
welcome.
up.
You're very welcome. Dubai is a nice place to come to.
What do you think about CCL TV being at these events?
I think CCL TV should be there. There's not even doubt. It's part of your journey. So bringing knowledge, bringing interesting cases, and bringing interesting people to your customer base.
Well, we always love seeing you, Peter. So thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us again today. It's been a real pleasure.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. And thank you for watching CCL TV, brought to you by Aurora.